get conversation with my dear student?
Yes.
We can start our English?
Yes.
Okay. Then I am a teacher. I am English teacher of Roshidi International Qawmi Madrasa. We are student?
Yes.
We are student. How are you? What is your madrasa name? Okay. I am also fine. Are you okay?
Yes.
What is father name? What is your mother name? What do your father do? What do your mother do? Do you like your madrasa? Okay. What is your favorite hobby? Why do you like your madrasa? Our madrasa, our teacher, our teachers are very carefully teaching them. Okay. Our my madrasa has on a word for good quality combined school and Arabic study. Are you okay? তাহলে আমরা কি বলেছি? Why do you like your madrasa? Yes, I like my madrasa. পরে such as the different subject, Arabic study and general knowledge, আমাদের অ্যাসেট বা যে সাবজেক্টগুলো আছে। Are you okay? তাহলে why do you like your madrasa? তাহলে আমরা এটা কি বলতে পারি? I like my madrasa. Our teachers are very carefully teach them combined school and Arabic study. আমরা এইভাবে বলতে পারি our madrasa has all a word for good quality education combined school and Arabic study. Okay, are you okay? তাহলে we must be good regularly present. You must be talk to English. Are you okay? তাহলে English is very essential for our life. Okay. তাহলে ইংলিশটা আমাদের জীবনের আমাদের জন্য খুবই তাহলে do you like your madrasa? Do you like your madrasa? আচ্ছা Jiam, stand up here. Jiam, stand up here. What is your name?
My name is Jiam.
Acha. How old are you?
I am 12 years old.
Okay. What do you reading?
I read in class 4.
Do you like your madrasa?
Yes, I like your madrasa.
Okay. What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is playing football.
Why do you like your madrasa?
Yes, I like your madrasa. Our teacher are very teaching. My madrasa has on a word for quality good education and combined to school and Arabic study.
Dhanyabad. Thank you so much. Arifa, stand up here. Arifa. It will tell you. Come here. What is your name?
My name is Arifa.
What do you reading?
I read in class 4.
Okay. Do you like your madrasa?
Yes, I like your madrasa.
Okay. Why do you like your madrasa?
Yes, I like your madrasa because our madrasa teacher is very careful. My madrasa has a word for good quality of education, combined with school and Arabic study.
Thank you so much. Redwan, stand up. Redwan. এখানে আসো, সামনে আসো, অংশ নেই। What is your name?
My name is Ridwan.
What do you read in?
I read in class 3.
Okay. Do you like your madrasa?
Yes, I like my madrasa.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is playing football.
Okay. Why do you like your madrasa? Our teachers has very careful it is them. Okay.
Yes, I like my madrasa.
Are you regularly student?
Yes, I am a student.
Okay. You are regular student. Thank you so much. Please take your seat. Dale, you must be talk to English. Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much. Our regular practice for every day. Our institution as going admission going now. Are you okay? অবশ্যই জানো আমাদের প্রতিষ্ঠানে আছে ভর্তিতে একটা অফার চলতেছিল। তোমরা যদি সেই অফারটা যারা আছে অবশ্যই তাদেরকে অবশ্যই জানাবা। প্লিজ কন্ট্যাক্ট উইথ ইউর আওয়ার প্রিন্সিপাল, ওনার সাথে অবশ্যই তোমরা কি করবা, যোগাযোগ করবা। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ। নেক্সট টু